This is a real flight route from inside the cockpit. From liftoff to forward flight. Throttle, yaw, and pitch. You feel every input translated through the frame. During flight, every sense sharpens. Each vibration carries meaning. Every movement is deliberate. Everything we designed becomes real in these few minutes of airborne reality. This is the dream becoming real. Even the smallest twitch of the hand carries life, as each pilot input courses through the machine now. Reflex in the sky. The camera can't fully convey the weight and emotion we felt in that seat.